Hi, I'm Debbie Ford, hairstylist out of Pembroke Pines, Florida, coming at you again. And this time I am going to share with you how I apply the 2x6 Brazilian unprocessed lace closure. Wear the part on the side, or you can wear it on the center, and it has a longer part, so you have fullness if you want to wear it on the side, and if you do want to wear it in the center, you'll have that fullness as well. You're parting, if you want a deep part, 2x6 is the way to go. This is the 2" by 6" that can be bleached, dyed, and I've already measured it, so we're going to put a placement here. This is where it would be placed. This time what I will be doing, I placed the closure here at the front, and I am now going to bend it over a little, take a little section with my needle and thread. Final step will be to cut off the lace at the front here.
When we're together, facing the sky, we know.
And you could either finish off with some got to be glued gel, or if you prefer to glue it down, just that little area, but it's so invisible that I personally don't really need to add any glue or anything because it blends in really well. And there you go. See that? So one of my points on this is that what I like about it is because it's unprocessed virgin hair, you can bleach it, you can dye it, you can even perm it. And if you notice, sometimes the hair is a little darker or a little lighter, and it's easy to blend in. If you want to bleach the knots, it's safe to do so. We can do a high lift bleach on it. We can dye it, we can perm it. It takes heat very well. So that's a good point that I like about it. And again, as I mentioned, you should all know by now. If you don't, the main purpose of the lace closure is you don't need to leave out any of your hair. The textures blend in very well. You can use the same textures, and you don't have to worry about any leave outs and damaging your hair. So for that protective styling, the closure is the way to go.